For sale today, got a 64 Buick Riviera. Factory black with red interior. Well, original black with red interior. Number matching 401 nail head. 68,000 original miles. We have the factory jack, the factory spare. I think it's a 1 repaint, but there's a chance it could be the original paint, which in that case, you know, I don't really know how to differentiate between the two at this point. You know, it's got some flaws here and there, but overall it's a nice original condition. Low miles, so it's got the undercoating on the frame still from the factory, and the undercarriage. Kept it in pretty good condition, I would say. The spoke wheels, I love those rims too. It's got a layer of dust on there already. It just, from sitting out here for a couple minutes. In black, it just absorbs it. The interior is excellent. The door panels are nice. The carpet is brand new. The interior, the seats itself, brand new. I know it's hard to see, but they, you know, there we go, a little bit better. The dash is probably the prettiest thing on the car. The whole console, the glove box, the dash pan. The compass option. Can you read that? No, it says the Pels. Pelge. I don't even know how to say their name. It doesn't matter. Built for them, so thank you for giving me this opportunity, the Pels, to own this car. Like I said, it's got some scratches and some nicks, you know. It's an older car, but it's unmolested. That shows very nice for its age. There is a little ding on the ding on the chrome there. The trunk is very solid. Let's see if I can pop the key real quick. Pop it open. All original. There's a jack, the spare, because you know it's got the 2 lines on there. It'll be priced right. For sale later today, depending on when you're seeing this. A little scratch there. 2 little marks there. It's a nice cruiser. It runs and drives well, actually. The glass is nice. Like I said, it's an older paint, but it shows nice. It has some flaws, but you know, you can drive it and enjoy it for a long time. It has power brakes and power steering. So you know, if you're interested, get in touch with me. Like I said, priced right. It'll be for sale later today. NextGenClassicCars.com. For sale on eBay as well. Here's a driving video. I forgot that I took it and put it in my pocket. Okay.